Asuntossakin yhtiö Aurora.
This is really amazing. We need to turn on light here. Okay, on 16th of March 2023. There's Hamburger's elevator. Still really for that original. That was 1913 originally. So there's 1707. Helsinki is Finland. The same number is, the serial number is 1707. Covers. Okay, got to stand I suppose.
Yeah.
Amazing one, really.
Yeah.
And the charges are streetlights.
Yeah.
What about the machine? Can you say this?
No, but I will say it soon.
Yeah.
Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Backup Service Keskus.
We may expect it the next year, 2024. It will be 110 years old this year, 2023.
Yeah.
Just wow. But I think the buttons are upgraded.
No, I don't know.
Wow. Do you think they could be original?
Yeah, probably.
Really?
But I'm
But it
certain.
looks like this Hisiala from 70s.
Yeah, but do you have seen his cellar in Helsinki?
No, I haven't seen it.
So probably not. But I'm not sure. Yeah.
It's not like unlikely to be completely original.
Yeah.
But what about the machine?
I think it's original, but I'm not sure.
Oh.
But,
So this is even better than what you said.
yeah, let's hope that it just have memory. Because it could be original. No, yeah, no memory, of course.
We really need to get to the staircase as I can see here later.
Yeah.
Maybe the even, because this is so rare.
Yeah.
I forgot to mention. The address was Aurorankatu, 13. And this is the staircase B. Some of the very best in Tala, maybe best
Yeah.
so far. I think that was the best so far was the 1935 Audis, two of them. But this is even better.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's still calm enough so we can
Yeah.
very interesting bench.
Yeah,
but this sign has been changed.
yeah, that's
Thank you very much for watching.